Comparing two software options side by side, an AI voice continues from here. Adobe Photoshop sits firmly in the premium category, and its pricing reflects that position. Instead of a one-time purchase, access is provided through an ongoing subscription model, which immediately frames it as a long-term investment rather than a casual tool. This approach makes sense for professionals who rely on Photoshop daily, but it can feel heavy for hobbyists who only edit occasionally. The subscription gives you continuous updates, cloud integration, and compatibility across devices, which is a big part of what you're paying for, even if that cost adds up over time. What really justifies the pricing for many users is the sheer depth of features. Photoshop is not just an image editor, it's a full creative environment. You get advanced photo retouching tools, non-destructive editing through layers and masks, powerful selection methods, content-aware fills, AI-assisted features, professional typography controls, and precise color management. It's equally comfortable handling photography, digital painting, compositing, UI mockups, social media graphics, and even light video work. Integration with other Adobe apps means files move smoothly between tools, which is critical for studio workflows and agency teams. Another major strength is Photoshop's adaptability. Beginners can start with basic adjustments and presets, while advanced users can dive into actions, scripting, and automation. Brushes are endlessly customizable. Plugins expand functionality even further, and the ecosystem around Photoshop is massive. Tutorials, presets, templates, and community support are everywhere, which lowers the learning curve despite the software's complexity. On top of that, Photoshop's pricing also covers long-term reliability and industry acceptance. Many clients, agencies, and production teams expect Photoshop file formats as a standard, which adds indirect value beyond the tool itself. The ability to open, edit, and deliver universally recognized files can save time and prevent workflow issues. While this doesn't reduce the cost, it does strengthen Photoshop's position as a professional necessity rather than just another editing app. However, the pros come with clear trade-offs. The subscription pricing can feel restrictive, especially if you stop paying and lose access to the software. Performance can also be demanding on older hardware, making it less accessible for users without powerful machines. The interface, while incredibly capable, can feel overwhelming, and mastering Photoshop takes time and consistent practice. For simple illustration or quick edits, it may feel like overkill. In short, Photoshop's pricing makes the most sense for professionals, content creators, photographers, and designers who need industry-standard tools and consistent updates. The features are unmatched in flexibility and depth, but the cost, learning curve, and system requirements mean it's not the perfect fit for everyone. It's a powerhouse, but one that asks for commitment in return. Inkscape follows a completely different pricing philosophy compared to most professional creative software because it is fully free and open source. There are no subscriptions, no one-time purchase fees, and no locked features. This makes Inkscape extremely attractive to freelancers, students, small businesses, and creators who want a powerful vector design tool without financial commitment. Because it is community-driven, users can download, use, armify use, and modify the software freely, which creates a strong sense of ownership and long-term reliability without worrying about licenses or renewals. Despite being free, Inkscape offers a surprisingly deep set of features focused on vector graphics and illustration. It supports advanced path operations, node editing, Bezier curves, gradients, patterns, and text tools suitable for logos, icons, illustrations, diagrams, and print-ready artwork. Layer management is flexible, allowing complex compositions while keeping designs organized. Inkscape also supports scalable vector formats and can import and export files used by other professional tools, making it easier to integrate into existing workflows. For designers focused on precision and scalability, Inkscape delivers the core tools needed for professional vector work. One of Inkscape's biggest strengths is its flexibility and customization. The interface can be adjusted with extensions, shortcuts, and plugins, allowing users to tailor the experience to their workflow. The software performs well for detailed vector illustration and technical design work, especially when creating assets for web, branding, or print. Inkscape's open ecosystem means features continue to improve through community contributions, and users benefit from frequent updates, bug fixes, and enhancements driven by real-world creative needs. Another advantage of Inkscape is how well it supports long-term learning and experimentation. Because it is open source, users can explore extensions, custom scripts, and community-built tools that expand functionality over time. Designers can experiment freely without cost pressure, refine vector skills at their own pace, and build professional quality assets for branding, web, and print projects while remaining fully in control of their creative process. However, there are trade-offs to consider. Inkscape is focused purely on vector design, so it does not replace photo editing or layout-focused software. Performance can vary depending on system configuration, and very complex files may feel slower compared to commercial alternatives. The interface, while powerful, may feel less polished to users accustomed to premium design suites, and the learning curve can be noticeable for beginners unfamiliar with vector concepts. Still, these limitations are often outweighed by the fact that the software is free and continuously improving. When it comes to public user feedback, not all software platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Some services, such as GetQuinn, provide visible ratings, while others, including Inkscape, may not have official Trustpilot data available. This absence does not reflect quality or reliability. Availability of ratings depends on platform participation, and missing reviews should be viewed as neutral. Exploring tutorials, forums, and real-world examples often provides more accurate insight into how the software performs. Overall, Inkscape offers exceptional value for anyone focused on vector illustration and design. Its free access, powerful drawing tools, open source development, and active global community make it a strong choice for long-term creative work. While it may lack the polish and advanced integrations of paid software, it delivers freedom, flexibility, and professional-grade vector capabilities without financial barriers. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software breakdowns. Click the link below to access Inkscape and Adobe Photoshop directly, explore their official pages, and choose the tools that best support your creative workflow today.